This video has two parts. First, I am going to show you how to log into myON using Clever on a computer, laptop, or tablet with internet access. Second part, I am going to walk you through how to log into myON using the myON app. Let's get started. First, step 1 says to visit our airport library webpage. You can do so by typing in this URL on the address bar on your computer, laptop, or device. Or if you have a device that has a QR reader, you can simply scan this black QR code and it'll take you directly to our library webpage. Today I am using a desktop, so I'm going to open up my internet, minimize it so that you can still see the instructions. And on the address bar right here on top, you can either type in every single letter that's up here on this address, the blue address, or you can type in Airport Elementary and click enter. It's usually the first result here. This takes you to our Airport Elementary website. Let me maximize this. You can see library on the right hand side. Since I had minimized it, it moves over to these little bars. If I click on them, you'll see the option for library. And there's our library webpage, which is where we are supposed to be at. Step 2 says to click on Clever. It's located right next to our Sky Cat. So I'm going to click Clever. Step 3 says to click on Login with Google and log in using your child's Google email provided by the teacher. So let me click in with Login with Google. And their email is actually their iStation username, which most airport students know. And then you're going to simply add @wisd.us, and that turns their iStation username into their email. The password is exactly their iStation password. And that needs to be kept confidential. Okay, now you're in. And if you notice on Clever, we do have a lot of programs that the students use, and today you're focusing on myON. So you would click on myON and it'll open up the program. And students can read. Thank you. If you're not interested in learning how to log in using the myON app on a device, you can turn off the video now. Okay, we're going to continue. Part 2 is how to log into myON using the myON app. Let me minimize this because we're going to need it in a little bit. Step 1 says to download the myON app. Now the myON app looks like this. Make sure it's downloaded onto your device. And this can be found on either iOS or Android devices, stores or app stores. I'm sorry. Okay, step 2. You're going to need to log in through Clever using the previous steps and get their personal identification number, also known as the PIN number. It is located right here where there's the little iPad. Let me open up the actual program and maximize it so you can see it better. So when you logged in using the first steps, you got this little on the right hand side upper corner. There is an iPad icon. If you click on it, which I'm not going to do, you click on it, it will give you your child's personal identification number, and it is unique to the child, so I cannot share it with you. Please write that number down because you're going to need it in just a bit. Once you've located your child's PIN number, go to step 3 and open the app on your device and click on the link user. The icon is going to look very similar to this one. and it's going to be located usually on the top or bottom corner of your device. And this depends on what kind of device you have. So far, this is the only icon I see. Step 4, you add the required information. They will be asking for the school name, so make sure you choose the West Lago Airport. There are other airports out there. Next, you're going to use this username, and the username is exactly the iStation username, so they shouldn't have a problem with this. Do remember not to put at WISD because it is not asking for the email. And finally, they're asking for the PIN number, which is the number I asked you to write down just a while ago. And you're in. Now the next step, step 5, is to add the books. Remember, you can download or add 20 books and you can read them offline. To do that, you simply find the Open Book Plus icon, or there should be 3 little dots either on the top or bottom corner of your device, and when you click on it, it should give you an add book option. If you cannot find either one of these options, you can add the books onto your application by going through Clever, which is the first part of this video, and downloading them. As long as the myON application is downloaded, the device will give you the option to download. Hope this helps. If you have any more questions, call the library staff at 969-6770. Thank you. Happy reading.